Come on, hold on to it. Hold on to it. Gary. Are you looking at the camera? Hey, Dulu? Dulu is 3 weeks old. Well, almost 4 weeks old. Oh, you guys. Okay. How are you going to get in there? Huh? How are you going to get in there? Oh, under there? Okay, you can go under. You're going to take it? There's the nipple. There's the nipple. Oh. You guys. Who wants a bottle? Who wants a bottle? Can you smell the milk? Where's the milk? She got it again. She's much better at it than Gary.
Oh my God.
So fast. Is that your bottle? Is that your bottle? Look at that. Oh my goodness, how cute. Is that your bottle, Dulu? Hey? Is that yours? How are you going to get in there? How are you going to get in there? Hey? Well, here it is. Hiss. Who wants a bottle? Who wants a bottle? It's Gary's turn, really. Gary needs to have more to eat. Hang on to it, Gary. Little sister's trying to get it. Hang on. No, never mind what she's doing. Never mind what she's doing. Dulu. Say hi. Say hi. Are you going to fight me? Your dad's daughter. Let's try this again. Gary, you really need some more to eat. Oh, is somebody on your face, Gary? Is somebody bothering you when you're trying to eat?
Get out of there. Get out of there.
There, now he's eating.
Get out of there.
Meow, she says. Who does she sound like? There's little Gary eating. Oh, good boy. Okay, you want a burp? You have a burp? Oh, it's off. Oh, I can't see it anyways. That's probably enough anyways. That's amazing. She's so funny. What is it? You want the bottle? Let's see how badly you want it. How badly you want it.